Okay guys, so in this video we are actually gonna start taking this pump apart. I need to disassemble it as much as I can to see the extent of the damage and to know what exactly to order. Few things are obvious. These solenoids, 4 of them, are burned. I have to find those. This is another good example, prime example of Bobcat parts being unreasonably expensive. For example, this unit right here, these 2 solenoids and this valve or whatever this thing is, this thing right here is about $2,500 from Bobcat. Again, it's just this piece right here. There's 2 of them on this pump. Another example, to be fair, you can order, you should be able to order individual parts on this unit. For example, this solenoid is actually not too crazy expensive compared to some other Bobcat parts. There was another solenoid, I can't remember exactly which one, but it's a solenoid about the same size as this one, and that solenoid is like $700 or $800. There's an assembly with the pistons on the inside, which is like $1,700. Oh, there are 2 sensors right here on the bottom, which I didn't realize were sensors, but they were melted anyway. There are 2 sensors right here on the bottom, and these sensors, I believe, also like $800 each. So there's 2 sensors, about $1,500. There's about $5,000 worth of these 2 pieces, so figure about $6,500. These controls, the assembly is like, I can't remember, to be honest, I can't remember exactly how much are these assemblies, but I would say about $2,500 as well. So I mean, just if you buy this whole thing in pieces, you're probably gonna end up spending like maybe 20 grand on this thing. I found the whole pump brand new for $4,400, I believe, brand new, and it's actually not too far from me. I'm still trying to decide which route I'm gonna go, but in this video we're gonna dig into this thing. At least we're gonna start taking it apart. So first thing I like to do is disconnect this assembly. It's connected with the 4 Allen wrench bolts, and let's take it off and let's take it apart. Let's see what it looks like. Look at this thing. Oh wow. It's pretty rusty. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, these bearings are gone. Yeah guys, so at this point there is no really good reason for me to go any further and trying to disassemble it. I'm pretty sure that's the way it's going to look on the other side as well, because these 2 sides are connected. I'm pretty sure water traveled over there as well. I am really interested in moving on to this thing. Alright, let's see what we have to work with. it's actually not that bad, but I'll do a little bit more research as far as this pump. I'll find out exactly what's going on, and most likely order some parts, definitely gaskets, possibly a remanufacturing kit, and the next video we'll probably move on to this pump right here, and we got a lot more work to do as far as this project, as far as this bobcat. So stick around, I'll see you in the next one.